Your CV is your personal marketing tool, your first impression to employers. It's the document that speaks for you before you even walk into the room, setting the stage for your entire job search journey. It's more than a list of jobs. It's a snapshot of your achievements and skills, a reflection of your unique strengths and the value you bring to the table. In today's crowded job market, recruiters spend just seconds scanning each CV. With so many applicants, you have only a brief moment to capture their attention and make a memorable impression. To stand out, your CV must quickly show why you're the best fit. It should highlight what makes you different and why you're the candidate they should remember. Tailor your CV for each job, highlighting your most relevant experience. Customizing your application shows employers you've done your homework and are serious about the role. A strong, focused CV opens doors to interviews and new opportunities. It's the key that unlocks the next step in your career, helping you move closer to your goals. Think of it as your professional handshake. Make it count. A well-crafted CV can leave a lasting impression, just like a confident introduction. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming. Breaking it into steps makes it manageable. By focusing on one section at a time, you'll build a CV you can be proud of. This guide will show you how to craft a CV that gets noticed. We'll walk you through each part, offering tips and examples to help you succeed. Let's get started on building your path to a better job. With the right approach, your next opportunity is just around the corner. Every effective CV has 4 key sections that employers look for right away. These sections help recruiters quickly find the information they need to decide if you're a good fit for the role. The main sections are personal info, work experience, education, and skills. Each one plays a unique role in telling your professional story. Start with your name, professional title, phone, email, and LinkedIn. Keep it professional and up to date. Double check for typos, as even small mistakes can make a bad impression. List your work experience in reverse order, starting with your most recent job. Focus on your achievements, not just your daily duties, to show the impact you made. Use strong action verbs and quantify your results whenever possible. Say, increase sales by 20% instead of just responsible for sales. Numbers help your accomplishments stand out. The education section comes next. Always list your highest degree first, along with the school name and your graduation year. This helps employers see your qualifications at a glance. If you have a university degree, there's no need to include your high school details. Keep your CV focused and relevant. Add certifications or licenses if they're relevant to the job you're applying for. These can give you an extra edge over other candidates. In the skills section, group your abilities by type, such as technical, language, or soft skills. This makes it easier for recruiters to see your strengths at a glance. Always match your skills to the job description to pass automated screening systems and show you're the right fit for the position. Keep each section clear, concise, and easy to read. Use consistent formatting and spacing to make your CV look polished and professional. These basics form the backbone of a winning CV, helping you stand out and make a strong first impression with every application. Let's see these sections in action. Personal info: Jane Doe, digital marketing specialist, jane.doe@email.com, linkedin.com/in/Jane Doe. Skip personal details like birth date or photos unless required. For work experience, managed 5 social media channels, boosting engagement by 30% in 6 months. Quantify achievements to show real impact. Education: MBA, City University London 2022, graduated with distinction. In skills, be specific. Technical: Microsoft Office, Google Analytics, communication, public speaking, report writing. Always tailor your skills to match the job ad. Keep examples relevant and results focused. This approach makes your CV clear and compelling. Before sending your CV, take a few extra minutes to carefully proofread for any errors. Simple typos or grammar mistakes can cost you valuable interviews. Reading your CV out loud or asking a friend to review it can help you catch mistakes you might have missed. Use a clean, professional font and simple formatting to make your CV easy to read. Avoid using too many colors or fancy designs. Clarity and professionalism always stand out to employers. Keep your CV to 1 or 2 pages. Focus on your most recent and relevant experience. Highlight achievements that directly relate to the job you want and make every word count. Cut anything that doesn't support your application. Remove outdated roles, irrelevant details, or skills that don't match the job description. Update your CV regularly as you gain new skills, certifications, or experience. Keeping your resume current ensures you're always ready for new opportunities. A strong, well-crafted CV boosts your confidence and helps you stand out from the competition. It's your personal marketing tool. Make it count. Take action. Refresh your CV today using these tips and don't hesitate to tailor it for each job application. Remember, your next opportunity could be just one application away. Every update brings you closer to your dream role. Good luck, your dream job is waiting for you and your efforts will pay off. For more tips and expert guidance, subscribe and follow us for the latest career advice and job search strategies.